Welcome to this 2-minute Techie Tip brought to you by Lim Christie Saint Squad. Students actively involved in networking and technology. This is Nina.
And Sarah.
And as Saint Squad members, our goal is to increase student achievement through the use of 21st century learning and technology. So let's get started and learn how to use Answer Garden.
Answer Garden is an amazing free Web 2.0 tool that can be used for gathering feedback from students or colleagues, or as a brainstorming tool to access knowledge, gather ideas or opinions, or even as a polling tool. At the Answer Garden website, it is described as a minimum tool for maximum feedback.
So before we learn how to create our own Answer Garden, let's look at this one in action. I have this Answer Garden at our help desk site. The question posted as, what techie topic would you like to learn about? The answers that have been posted so far are word processing, how to search, Web 2.0 tools, and how to save. And it looks like more than one person has posted word processing. Because it's the largest response so far, if I enter Sketchcast, which is another Web 2.0 tool, I see the text enter in my Answer Garden window. Sweet. And if I enter the same thing again,
Right, exactly.
the text shows up larger. And finally, I enter Wordle, and I can see that if it shows up as opposed to.
So how would I use this in the classroom? Teachers could solicit opinions or ideas to get student feedback. For example, Answer Garden could be used to gather responses to questions like, what are the synonyms for the word gallon? Or describe the main character in the book, The Hobbit. Or what words would you use to describe the Civil War?
Now that I have an idea of what Answer Garden looks like, I want to know how to use it. Pretty simple. When I am at the site, here's the URL. I click on Create an Answer Garden at the top right corner. Then this window opens up and I am asked to enter a topic or question here. I will enter, what do you know about Abraham Lincoln? I will enter, what do you know about Abraham Lincoln?
I have some options to consider under this field. And when I have reviewed these options, I click on Create. Then I am given a new window, and my Answer Garden now has a specific URL here. I can start using my Answer Garden by emailing or giving my students or staff, colleagues, this website address.
To demonstrate, I can answer some responses to this question card, such as 16th president. Ended slavery. And born in Illinois. Now, if I'm done, at the bottom of this window, I have options for how I want to use this Answer Garden again. I can just use this URL, but if I want to embed this into a wiki, I would click the Share button. Here I'm given the embedded code. Embedded code lets me put this Answer Garden into my wiki page or blog, like the first example we looked at. And it is easy to use. To learn how to use embed code, watch the screencast available on the wiki.
So thanks for watching this 2-minute Techie Tip on Answer Garden. Please use the screencast and related information to promote 21st century learning in your classroom. Start a wiki for you and your students and begin using it as a publishing platform to highlight the efforts of your digital learners.
Thank you!